All right, so this is for implicit intents, which are basically, that's not the right. Uh, so intents that are not usually not using your app. Basically, another app opens it. So, so I'm just doing an empty activity. Um, implicit, not implicit. Let's pick another place for this. Why was that the minimum? Uh, all right, so yeah, I just updated this. So let me see. Oh, I'll go through that later. So I'll wait for Gradle to build or Android or whatever. I'm using Kotlin. Yeah. Um, so basically, usually use implicit intents for like to open other apps. So if you want to set an alarm, set something in the Google Calendar, system app. It doesn't have to be system apps, but a lot of times use it for system apps too. So and Android developer docs has common intents, basically common implicit intents really. So they kind of have a little directory, I guess you could say, of what it has. So alarm clock, calendar, camera. I'll just do. Trying to think of something that'll work on the emulator. I'm not sure. I don't think I've tried anything on email. Yeah. So, so really, they have the code for you. You can just copy. So I'll just run through it. So they basically made a function so it accepts an array of addresses. You just set one, really. And then they have a subject, an attachment. So they're adding the addresses right here and the into extra email. Yeah, extras is where you're passing like parameters to an intent filter basically. So and passing the subject and the attachment. So oh, and so right here they have it. Oh, so they're setting the hold on, let's play. Basically, they're setting the data so it only open email apps right here. In Java, it kind of makes more sense, sort of. I guess if you read it like that, set intent dot set data. So they're sending on the intent still. Yeah, it's just another way. They use the apply on Kotlin, so yeah, I'll go ahead and use this one actually. Yeah, this is intent filter, basically an app that accepts emails. Basically, if you want your app to accept this intent, you basically would have put this inside of your app. But yeah, I'll just add this to sure. Was it a function? Oh, yeah. If you're on a class that's not imported, you can hold down in Mac. You can hold down Option and Enter. I think in Windows it's Alt Enter. But yeah, import. I'll do it on URI. Okay, so I add a button to this just so it's more, I guess. Let me do that. Let's make an ugly UI right now, just to show the functionality. So let's leave the email button. And then the text, email me. I don't know. I'll put one of my email. I'll put a fake email. Okay, so yeah. Okay, it should work. I have VM on here, so that's why it looks like that. So to set on-click listener through code, you use the email button. I set on-click listener. I like using the second one because it's just real simple. That's all you just write the code in here in the brackets. All right, so really I'll just change this to a string. I'm just emailing me, so I'll put email me, whatever. Yeah, it'll know. So, all right, compose email. I'll actually make string variable, so val name equal or email right equals Chris. I can't type at gmail.com. And then val the subject equals my cool subject. So yeah. I think that should work. So let's run it. I ran it ahead of time, so I won't have to wait. All right. So it opens up your email app, my cool subject, and adds my real email. I'm trying to avoid that, but okay, that works. And also, if you want to add the body, it's extra text, intent dot extra text, extra text. There it is. So my body text. Let's check that out real quick. Of course. So there you go for the body text. And I'll leave the links to the Android docs I referenced in the videos. And all right, that's it, I guess. So I'll see y'all next video. Thanks.